In the sprawling cities of the fallen angels, a peculiar facet of their society is dedicated to the support and sustenance of the League of Lawyers and diplomatic envoys. In these domains, a unique modus operandi prevails. Before any physical confrontation or dispute takes place, an intricate web of legal intricacies is woven. The inhabitants of these fallen realms, in fact, possess certain rights in the grand cosmic courts, ensuring their access to a platform where they can substantiate their actions or seek resolutions to contentious matters. The universal cosmic courts cannot judge these condemned angels without first hearing them out. Consequently, within this cosmos of the celestial and the damned, the most privileged among the denizens often don the mantle of lawyers. These legal advocates paradoxically emerge as some of the most sane and composed individuals amidst a population steeped in moral depravity. This privilege stems from their pivotal role in the hierarchy of fallen angels. They are the bearers of legal arguments, the voices that resonate within the cosmic courts, and the advocates who strive to persuade the celestial congress in their favor. The strength of their persuasive rhetoric and the ability to garner sympathy for their causes can determine the outcome of the great cosmic controversy. As a result, those who take up this unique vocation among the fallen angels must carry themselves with the utmost decorum and composure. They stand as representatives of their realm before the prestigious galactic jury, who scrutinize their every move. In stark contrast to the mental instability and savagery that characterizes many of their demonic counterparts, these lawyers exude an air of professionalism and respectability. Moreover, their responsibilities often entail frequent interstellar travel to distant cosmic courts, situated light years away, bridging the chasm between Earth and the higher realms. This continuous pilgrimage to the cosmic courts is the fulfillment of the verse in the book of Revelation that calls Satan the accuser of the brethren who accuse them before our God day and night. However, it's not Satan alone but his legion of fallen angels who carry out this arduous task. Hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of demonic and heavenly lawyers embark on daily commutes to these cosmic courts, driven by the pressing need to debate issues that defy resolution within the confines of Earth and the solar system's lower courts. To facilitate this labyrinthine legal system, the fallen angels maintain a complex and comprehensive record-keeping infrastructure. This infrastructure necessitates the involvement of accountants, technicians, supervisors, secretaries, and office managers, among other roles. Each day, the League of Lawyers crafts intricate terms of service and contracts for humans to sign on the other side of the dimensional veil. These contractual documents are painstakingly tailored for each specific scenario, ranging from individual agreements to those encompassing various religious groups, human races, and nations. Within the dark alleys of the fallen cities, think tanks brim with ingenuity as fallen angels brainstorm an assortment of rituals, cursed items, propaganda, and religious rites, all designed to assert their dominion over human souls. These rituals and items may often appear arbitrary or ludicrous, but their sole purpose is to entrap unwitting humans within a web of legal obligations. This endeavor explains the diverse superstitions and the existence of seemingly illogical cursed relics found across the world. Objects that can grant rights over a person's life and soul. However, this is not a one-sided endeavor, as even holy angels engage in the process. They scrutinize these contracts for legal loopholes, and when they find them lacking, they create rituals aimed at releasing individuals from the clutches of demons. They refuse to abandon their human subjects to the whims of evil celestials, introducing clauses that, for instance, annul a demon's rights if someone nearby engages in prayer and fasting on the individual's behalf. This is why the disciples at one time couldn't cast out a particular demon out of a little boy. Even though they have done it many times before, this particular demon couldn't be cast out with their conventional commands. Jesus informed them that this particular demon comes out by prayer and fasting. This was the case because that was the contract that demon and angel agreed to. Many of these contracts meticulously specify the location, time, and the individuals to whom the terms apply. If a human were to sign a ritual contract outside the designated time or location where an angel has jurisdiction, the contract is deemed null and void. This practice reflects the nuanced nature of the demonic domain, as different demons hold sway over various groups of people. The complexity of a conflict surpasses the capacity for resolution at this tier, prompting its escalation through numerous circuit courts, ultimately culminating in the esteemed Supreme Universal Court of the stellar coast of Zion, situated in the Orion Nebula, which stands as the highest celestial tribunal. Instances of such nature, however, are exceptionally uncommon, with the most recent recorded case dating back 2,000 years.